Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest and fastest way to remove soap, scum, and disgusting shower floors such as this. And at the end, I will share with you what this mystery stuff is at the bottom of my shower right here. I also have a power tip for you so that you do not hurt your back in the process of cleaning a bathtub or shower floor. And because I like to give you more than you bargained for right here, I do have an additional power tip here for you if you have that pink soap scum ring around here that will not come off. First and foremost, cleaning your shower or bathtub should be done. It will be the most effective if you do it immediately after you shower or immediately after a bath, because this is already warm and steamy. And you know, when you soak a pot or pan, you put it in warm water, things tend to come off a little bit easier. Second bonus tip that I want to give you right here, get in the habit of doing this. I would say once a week, so every Sunday you plan to do this quick method I'm going to show you here really quickly, or bi-weekly. So let's say every 2 weeks you get paid, think that is the day I'm going to do a quick scrub down using Andrea Jean's method of cleaning my shower. You all, I like to save time. That's what this entire channel is about, so that you are not having to do all day cleaning rendezvous. I don't know about you, but that is not how I want to spend a day. So here's an amazing hack for you. Two things right here. You need an effective brush. This is from the Dollar Tree. This is not my favorite. After a lot of trial and error, it does tend to leak a little bit more and wear out, as you can imagine. It's $1, but if you want to go that route, that is an option for you. You're gonna need some sort of cup or bucket to rinse out your shower if you do not have a detachable hose. This one right here, I absolutely love these here. These work amazing, and then I just buy new heads and replace, and I've probably had this Scotch-Brite handle container probably for like 2 years. It is that durable. Keep this someplace convenient in your bathroom or your shower so that it is easily accessible. That's one of the other reasons that people often avoid the shower and the tub, because the supplies are somewhere else in your house. So keep them in your bathroom in a cleaning caddy. Second, you need a powerhouse solution. Now, I've played around with this Miracle Shower Cleaner for quite some time, and here's what I've landed on for my favorite concoction. I like a 1-to-1 ratio, so I used filtered water from my fridge and just white distilled vinegar. And as far as how much Dawn dish soap or any sort of dish soap that you like will really cut the grease, vinegar is acidic and the Dawn is an excellent degreaser. So the combination of these two things are like, bam, a powerhouse. And it smells pretty nice as well. So 1-to-1 ratio of distilled water, if you have it, and white distilled vinegar. Now, you certainly could use apple cider vinegar, but there's also a tint to that, but it will still have the same effect. And then as far as how much Dawn dish soap or whatever dish soap you have, all dish soaps are pretty good at the degreasing component. Use as much as you would like. It depends upon how soapy you need it and how disgusting the job is that you are doing. For this combination right here, I probably used about 2 tablespoons worth. And then again, I'm just gonna keep this combination right here under my sink and my cleaning caddy so that it's easily accessible. So this is what we're gonna do right here. You're gonna go ahead and spray this down all over the area that you wanna clean. Be very generous in your spraying. The next thing that you're gonna do, depending upon how thick, I mean, you can spray in and around your shower, you're gonna work from top down. If you're doing your entire shower, it just makes sense, right? Now, how long do you let it sit on there? Again, it's gonna depend upon how disgusting your shower is. If it's really bad, I would say let it sit on there for like a good 10 to 15 minutes. And then you're gonna go in with your power tool. So for all intents and purposes today, I'm just gonna use this Dollar Tree one right here, and I will show you the magic that will happen. And now, since I'm not cleaning the top of the shower right here, I'm just showing the shower floor. I'm just gonna start down here, and I'm actually gonna work my way around the shower and try to get everything closer to the drain. Now, it's gonna look like a disgusting mess, especially let's say you washed your dog or a really dirty child. It's gonna look something like this. So you wanna get it all scrubbed up, break up all that stuff. I'm showing you here with something quite dramatic so that you can see what this will actually look like in a very dirty, disgusting shower. Now, I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes and we're gonna come back and just rinse it off, and I will show you how well this works. Once that's been sitting, you're gonna take your warm water. Again, if you have a detachable hose, that is preferable. I do not, so you're just gonna take your water. And you can can already see right there. So I'm just gonna need a couple more cups of this. One bonus tip that I have here as well is I do like to dry everything down when I'm done. I think it just makes like everything look real shiny and white, and then you can see if there's any problem areas that you need to go in with. I'll show you in just a second. This is my third time going in with a cup of water right here. If you have a big bucket, by all means, do that. But watch. You can see it just wipes right off, and it is looking bright, shiny, and new. I have a little part right here that I'm gonna rinse down. Again, I'm not having to do any additional scrubbing after that first go ahead. That is looking so nice. Now, if you have some pink scum around the edge, which I have just a tiny bit, I'll show you here in a second. We're gonna pick it up with one of my favorite things in the whole wide world. But again, you could just put the magic shower cleaner in something like this. In this is just Dawn and dish soap. Go ahead, 1-to-1 ratio, as much Dawn dish soap as you want. A little does go a long way. There's lots of recipes on the internet, and I do think that they call for more Dawn dish soap than you actually need for this concoction. In order for you not to hurt your back in the process, I love this right here. You can get down up in your shower like so. This extends, it's amazing. Any products that I use will be linked in my Amazon store. Here is my favorite friend right here. Yes, magic eraser. This is amazing. I cut them up so that I can be more economical with them, or you want to get into smaller spaces. But you're gonna wet this, and then, well, since it's already wet right here, this is how you're gonna really get around on that soap scum if it did not come up the first time with the Miracle Shower Cleaner and the method that I just discussed right here. And this right here is how you're really gonna take your bathroom cleaning and your shower floor to the next level. This whole process, depending upon how stained your shower floor and your shower is in its entirety, you may want to repeat this process. Again, just spray in your Miracle Shower Cleaner, give it a good scrub with whatever sort of scrub brush you have on hand, rinse it out, get your magic eraser out just to wipe any extra soap scum around the sides. Also, if you tend to use liquid soap over bar soap, that's going to help remove the soap scum that you may get around the shower line right here. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up before I reveal what was in the bottom of my shower. Dun dun dun! Hershey's syrup. This gets nice and sticky and can stain, so that's why I wanted to put it down here, and I let it sit for about 1 to 2 hours to really get it in there good, so I could demonstrate how well this method works for cleaning your shower floor, your shower, your bathtub, garbage cans, basically anything that you need to clean up. And if you're new here, I have 4 children, so we do a ton of bathtub and shower cleaning, so I love finding the quickest way to get the job done without breaking the bank and spending tons of hours doing that. Be sure to sign up in the description box of the newsletter, which is all things cleaning tips, tricks, and hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.